Hi, welcome to Aussie-Rig-Renos. Today we're looking at the Millard pop-top ceiling replacement. I found with mine, it was looking pretty sad. And as I'd done the renovations, bits were flaking, so I'd peeled them back, which left this kind of result, just really ugly looking and just not very appealing. I thought of all different ways to disguise it or cover it: wallpaper, paint. You can see we've gutted and we're in the middle of just doing all of the inside up. Here we see where I've painted it, but it really doesn't look good, and that was with 2 to 3 coats of paint. So I decided to go with a proper replacement, Mr. Plywood, and from that I chose a really nice white embossed polyester style board, 240 by 1200, so it meant I needed 2 sheets. Draw a mud map of all of the dimensions that you have for where those handles are, because you want to use the same holes again. Then lay your ply inside and really draw it out very carefully. Cut with a jigsaw and use Sikaflex to really lay it on before you push that sheet up against the roof. You can see here where I've used Meranti and tent poles extended up to do it, and as soon as possible put the handles back in to those drilled holes, and that way you'll hold the ceiling in place. You can see now we've got the 2 sheets up and it's looking much better. Now the next thing that you want to do is, once they're all sealed in, each sheet would be done 1 each day. You want to get into these corners and Sikaflex all the way around to seal all those crevices so no moisture will get into those areas around the outside. Here you can see it's all sealed in, and even down the middle join. Much better, looking really nice. Then with your offcuts, you can see I've removed down around the base of the pop top. I've removed that and now use the offcuts to replace that whole trim. Looks really stunning, all matches, and the amount of time you're inside looking up at that ceiling, you want it to look schmick. So have fun with it. Look at the details, very detailed instructions on this video. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe below and follow us on Facebook, Jennifer Williams Photos. Instagram is Jen Williams Photos. Next video coming up in our series will be about how to replace the pop top on the actual sleeve on the pop top. Thanks very much again. Hope to see you soon.